Hello everyone, welcome to Sonac Studio. Now I'm gonna show you how I created the Memshack dog logo design, which is this, as you can see, Memshack breed. So I'm gonna show you how I achieved this. So this is Photoshop. So let's go straight to work. First thing you do, you come to your file, click on File, New. It opens. It opens. Now, why I normally use 10 by 10. Dogs, their noses are not black. I just added a little bit of my own creative to my own creative understanding. I just added some little things to it. For example, the nose. If you can see here, if you see here, see the color is for the nose. So let's go into that. Just come here, then click this, then this, then this. So click the nose. Since it's only the nose we need, I think you can use your pencil. I think let's try this. Okay. So this is it. Now you can paint, carefully paint. Change my brush to the hard brush. Click OK. Now to get this exact pink, all you just need to do is come here, hold your hot, click here, go back to your page. Now you get that pink. So now look at this angle. Look at this angle. Now look carefully. I'm going to paint this angle. Okay, yeah. Now to get this actual curvy area, what I'm going to paint that. Back to my toothbrush. Place this brush here at this angle. This is what I just did. Then click your mouse. So to give it that curvy area, just come here. Click here. Click here. Then you take it down a little bit. Click here. So you get. So that's how I got that area. Then Control D. Then I added a little bit of this shining effect to the nose. Then just come here. Control P. Sorry. Control J. Okay. Where's that from? sorry, let me just get this straight. Fill delete part. Okay, now back to the nose. So Control P as P for pen to, not Control P. Sorry, my bad. No, highlighting this. Zoom out a little bit. Zoom out a little bit. Control Z. Back to pencil. Come this a little bit. This area. Do you see that? Then create a layer for that. Then fill part. Then now I'm going to fill this, but not with this exact pink. So I'm going to add a little bit of lightness to it, a little bit, and it's okay. Now, did you see what? Did you see the effect? You see? So that's the effect. Then I added a little bit to this edge, a little bit. Added to this down part a little bit. Yeah, click here. Yeah, few parts. Okay. So the part. Did you see that? So zoom in. Can you see the effect I added to it? Now, I think we're cool with this. The second thing, the effect on the text. So I've already copied it, so all I just need to just paste it. I'm going to show you how I should that. Paste it. Now I'm going to zoom in. Now, what I did here was I just added a stroke and a drop shadow. Stroke and a drop shadow. Now, see, this is my stroke. My stroke is on 9, as you can see. If I increase it, it's no longer there. If I decrease it, it's there. So just paste it on 9. Then my shadow to the opacity 100. Here, 9, 7, 10. That's how I got that. So now, zoom out a little bit. Now, to make this logo look more interesting, now you have to give it a what I call color blending, and it's also what I call color alignment. Do you understand? So if you look at this, you'll see that it blends and it calms the eyes down a little bit. So come here. This comb will just make this word the same thing as this tongue. What I did to this tongue. So now we've got our logo. This is this. No, this is this. Sorry, this and this. Do you see this and this? Do you see? Now one thing is different. Now the font. The font is quite different. The font. Now come here. I think this is the font I use. Raisebone bag. Yeah, Raisebone bag. Then you off this bold stuff off it. And I think we're good to go. Yeah, I think we're good to go. Yeah, no, this here. So you can take away your ruler, drag this to the up, drag this to the side. I think we're good. Widen this a little bit. Let's make it 400. 400. Yeah. Bring it down a little bit. So I think we're good to go. Then drag this to a little bit down. Just a little bit down. So that's okay, guys. Yeah, I think we're cool. Yeah, I think I'm done with this. So that's how I got this logo design. I created this. I got this page from Google. Then I added my own styles to it. The tongue and these dots, the cheek, and the name and everything, and the color of the nose and the color of the tongue. So I created that myself. So guys, thanks for watching, and see you soon, and stay tuned. Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the like button for more notification. Thank you. Now you're gonna see various designs of mockups of what I did with this logo design. You understand? In my next post, I did a car design, I did a cap design, I did a sealed food, a dog dry food design. So kindly like and comment and tell me what you think. Stay cool. Thank you.